Today we'll talk about how can you disable suggestion stickers on your pickup. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of your photo, click on it here. Sorry, you click on your photo, so then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, you just go up of this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings and come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on app settings. So when you click here on app settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, so you keep going down here and you click here on stickers here. So when you click on stickers, it's going to take us to next step here. Then you come here, so to suggestions, and you click here on this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. That's means suggestions stickers disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.